Welcome back, everyone, to another Bromo Sapien video. Yesterday, I was perusing the Reddit Bamboo Lab website, and I came across this interesting post. Yeah, that's right, perusing. Perusing the website. Perusing is a word, as you can see. And as I came across this post, I thought it to be rather funny. Here's a print dad who writes, he purchased a PS2 a couple months ago while my daughter was away at college. He started building his setup in his game room or TV room. He says, well, last week we moved our daughter home from school. After she learned that I took over her hangout area and she didn't want to listen to my non-stop printing, she politely asked if I'd move my setup out of the game room. So I've been moved to the garage, he says. It'll be a little adjustment, but I think I prefer this setup. So does the wife, because I'm constantly out in the garage now organizing things. And then living in Kentucky, he's got heat issues. He's asking a bit about humidity, etc. But I thought this was amusing because, well, if you're a print dad, you could probably appreciate this. Couldn't wait to read the comments. The comments, there are some good ones down here. So get off my grass, brats states. Use the rent you are charging your daughter to install a mini split AC unit in the garage. Well, it turns out the OP doesn't even charge rent from his daughter despite her coming home. Not only that, but he rents her apartment near campus. So he's paying for that. Not sure what her roommates would think, he says. Intlian says, that's the most American thing I've ever heard. And not uncommon says, you don't charge your daughter rent? That's messed up. It's just this is just classic. You can see all the print ads chiming in. I just thought it was a good thread. Gave me a good chuckle because this is the reality, right? This is the reality of three printing from home. You're trying to run a business, you're trying to enhance things for your family, and you get the short end of the stick. You get sent to the garage. Yeah, pretty funny stuff. Well, that's all I have for you guys. Hope you're doing well, and Bromo Sapien out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.